Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Thank you. I will leave you a tip on the app.
Thank you.
All right, no problem. Hey, what's going on, good people? Welcome back to another episode of Jam Packed Cooking. And today, we taking down the Big BUFORD, baby. The Big BUFORD burger. This restaurant been around, they've been around a while. Checkers been around a long time. Checkers and Rallies. They was founded in 1986 in Alabama. It's been a lot of fuss over the Big BUFORD because your boy Rick Ross, Rick Ross says it's the best. Let's see what the Big BUFORD got to offer. So let's try it out, man. Let's see what they talking about. Today, they got time on us. Yeah, supposedly experience. We're gonna hit them with the skills. Self-rated jam pack cookers, baby. We're gonna set it right up there. So that's our target. We're gonna set the Big BUFORD right in the back. Cause that's where it's going today. It's gonna take a back seat. We're gonna get the Sterno 5106 fired up. This is the setup we got here today. Make sure our gas off. Yeah, it's locked in. Yeah, I heard it. We got ignition. We got ignition, baby. Hit it with some of this stuff. Make sure we don't do no sticking. So let's get into this. Let's get into this Big BUFORD burger. I chose this today for my jam pack cookers because I was watching the interview. I was watching the interview with Ross. He was saying how good this Big BUFORD burger was, and it's a must try. He actually owned the Checkers. He went into business with Checkers back in 2017. I like Rick Ross. He's a great person, inspirational person. He give me a lot of inspiration, actually. I'm an artist myself. You know, Mr. Money, DMG, D Inferno Music Group out of Dallas, Texas. Google me, baby. Google me. All the music you hear right here on this channel, a majority of that music is made by your boy. To start these Big BUFORDs out, we're gonna get our ground meat season out. We got some 80-20 ground beef. And of course, I'm gonna break it apart like that there. We're gonna hit it with, I'm gonna say about a tablespoon of SPG. And of course, a tablespoon of the magic dust, baby. And I think that's what we got one up on Checkers at. And give it a mix. Make sure everything get well incorporated. So we're gonna take some of our 80-20 ground beef and put it into these burger press. Presses out some of these good BUFORD burgers. as Rose say. Rose say it's the best. Jam pack cooking style though. Inspired by Rose. You know I like hip hop, man. If you go ahead and drop a comment of your favorite hip hop artist. I'm a big hip hop fan, man, of course. Like I started doing music when I was about 10 years old, maybe even younger. I remember my mama used to drop me off at the studio. It's a place out in Texas called Big T. We used to go to Big T every weekend, almost every other weekend when we could afford it. And when we could afford to go to the studio, we was like, Mama, can you take us to the studio? Me and my little bro, Bedra Cash, and we still doing it today. Now we got our own paper, so we on a serious grind. DMG, D Inferno, y'all Google us. But like I say, man, you know, coming up, if you watching this video and you're an aspiring artist, take your time, enjoy the process, slow down, make sure everything is going how you want it to go. Because this game ain't for everybody, you know. But at the end of the day, it's what I wanted. It still is what I want, you know. And everybody set their own success level, where you want to be. And what you want out of this is gonna define your success. But for me, we doing just fine, baby. You know, DMG, matter of fact, 2020, God's Plan mixtape releasing. Mr. Money, Bedra Cash, The Inferno Music Group, baby. You know, Ross is definitely an inspiring artist. When you look at how he moving his business, not just him, man, there's a lot of cats out there. Even Trick Daddy just opened up a spot out at MIAO. I'm coming to visit, Trick. I'm coming to see you, baby. Mr. Money, Chef Ray, we coming to see what you're talking about. I think he called it Sundays or something. Y'all leave it down in the description if you know what I'm talking about. But, of course, your boy got big smokies, baby. I do barbecue and seafood. You know your griddle ready to cook when you see that little smoke kicking up off of it? That's when you know your patty's ready to go on. So let's put the first one on. Oh, yeah. And you definitely want that sizzle. You definitely want the sizzle, baby. So, it's gonna be a big ass burger. We cooking on cast iron, and we got this 5106 sterno kicked up, so it dispersed the heat evenly. And so this burger's gonna get a nice crispy on even side. I'm gonna crank it up just a little bit more to make sure we get that crispification. The crispification, baby, we need that. We don't have long, so let's go ahead and do this. If you have the pleasure of having magic dust, BigSmokeysBBQ.com for that. Sprinkle it. Sprinkle it. It's gonna give you the extra that you need. If you don't have it, I don't know how you feel about being basic, but hey, the burger's just about done, so we're gonna go ahead and get us some veggies ready for these burgers. We got an iceberg lettuce. Okay, we cool with that. The sauce would not be typical ketchup, mayo, and mustard. No sir, not at all. I told y'all we don't want them well done, but we definitely want the crispification. Oh yeah, just like that, baby, crispification. Juicy. We need the juiciness. Come here. Come here. Yes. You get on over there. Right there. And you stay right there. So, let's do this. We're gonna go for the red onion, baby. There's enough right there for us. And then we got the pickles. Red onion. We got the tomatoes, the pickles, and the iceberg lettuce. Going to the griddles with the buns. Not too fast. You're just gonna go just enough. Toast up them buns. Nice and easy, baby. And I've been doing this a while, so I can tell this feel by feel and touch where the burger's at, and we almost there. If you enjoying this day like we enjoying this day, y'all know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell, cause we always jamming and cooking. Today we taking down. Come here, come here. You see him back there? He's still back there. He ain't going nowhere, cause I want him to see the whole thing, baby. Look, come over here to these burgers. Listen, we almost there. Look, you see how these burgers start to plump up a little bit, and let you know they're getting that juicy on them. So let's give them the last flip. Ooh, the last flip gonna do it. And we coming in. It ain't easy being cheesy, baby. Come here, you get on over here, and you come here. Just like that. Y'all wouldn't even believe it, but the boy's going up top. He's going up top. And we got to do this. We have to do this. Put a lid on it. Cut your sterno out, baby. All right, we back. Listen, y'all, we had to change location, obviously. We got attacked by some bees, but we made it out. We made it out. Back to this big brief. The sauce, the kick-ass sauce right here. We're gonna put down iceberg lettuce. That goes first, baby. We're gonna come back with the red onions. No, we're not stingy with the red onions. Tomato. Need the pickles, baby. Don't forget about the pickles. Look at this. And it's time. It's time, baby. See what we got here. Big Smokeys, Big Buford. Y'all ready? Let's get it. Jesus! We need all the crispiness around it. Crispification, juiciness, baby. Come here. Home with a good burger, man. I'll take your order. Just like that. Tag Ross right now. We're gonna set the cap just like that. Yeah, you know, wait a minute. Some ain't adding up. You think we got caught slipping without the fries? We got them, baby. We had to have the extra large. We're not gonna hate on their fries. Everybody know, can't mess with it. That's a good fry all the way around. Never mind all that. Serrated knife. You don't want to mess over your burger with a blade. Knife with the little You slide, baby. I'm gonna open this up for y'all. Yes. You see it's dripping. Loosen your jawbones up. Get in your position. And let's do this, baby. Come here. Come here. I hope y'all see this. Come here. Gotta grab some of the fries. There's nothing wrong with this. Too much salt, not enough meat. That's something Chuckers got to deal with. That's something they got to deal with, baby. Because over here at Jam Pack Cooking, with my Jam Pack cookers, our screws loose. I don't know. So if you enjoyed this video like we did, we kicked it, we had a good time today. Shout out to Hip Hop, shout out to Rose. Shout out to everybody that's doing their thing. Right now, I want you to share this video with your family and friends. Let them know what we doing over here at Jam Pack Cooking. We always kicking it. You know, today we was kicking it with the kick-ass sauce on the big briefy, baby. I want you to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell. Because we always jamming and cooking, baby. Right here on Jam Pack Cooking. It's your boy, Chef Ray, Mr. Money. Peace and love.